Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are, no, not you guys. You are so very welcome indeed. We're not doing the you guys. You don't like that. This is a classy joint. So I see, and I love it. You're teaching me, and I am learning. All right, my darlings. Public service announcement. I am now a Zara ambassador. Thank you guys. It was because of you. It really truly was because of you. And so I am going to do all kinds of reels for you guys on Instagram, on TikTok. I promise you, I will be out here with the fits. I will always put out stuff that I like. It's not so much that it's Zara, but it's stuff that I like, that I buy, that I'll wear. This, for example, is by Zara. It's completely backless. Can you see, guys? I live and I love. And yeah, thank you so very much. I'm just putting that energy out there, and look at how it came around. You know, the opportunity came and Zara said, why don't you be an ambassador? And so I give that truly and truly to you. Okay, so thank you. I'm forever grateful. So a lot of you sent me this video.
Yo, this man just hit me in my face with a brick, and all these black men just watch and they don't give a yeah, this man hit me, grabbed a rock and it hit me in my face because I would have given him my number. And all y'all just watch. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? What y'all do? I want y'all to be a man. I want y'all to be a man. Do something. Y'all gonna let a man hit me in my face? I ever done to anybody in my life to deserve this? I never did anything in my life to hurt anybody. Literally, a man asked me for my number. I said no, and he picked up a brick in front of so many men and was like, "What you gonna do?" And I told all these men, like, yo, why is this man got a brick on my face? And he's holding a brick. And all these is watching. And nobody does nothing. And he hits me in my face, and then they all just watch. And they let that get in the car. How is this okay? This is what y'all doing to women? Don't understand, like, I'm just trying to take my friend out from 5 years ago. Like, literally spending my whole money, not bothering nobody. Like, what the fuck kind of is this? I'm in the parking lot just trying to buy some food. And, like, I'm literally like, why is this bossing up on me like this? And I'm looking at all these. They literally let this do all of this. They let this, like, really, like, do all of that. I never thought it was gonna happen, yo. Like, it's so wild. And he's gonna get away with it. He got in the car. He got away. He's never gonna get caught. He's gonna move on. He's probably at an after party right now having a good time. Do you feel good about yourself doing this to a woman? For what? Like, all this violence against black women is not okay. Like, what do I do to deserve this? Like, what is my defense against this? It's been 12 hours. I'm in the hospital. I'm getting discharged. I do have a concussion, so I gotta take it slow for a week. Unfortunately, I don't have the kind of job that's gonna give me that kind of grace. So, you know, I still gotta mother, I still gotta teach, I still gotta work. I really just want the best for everybody, and I don't know why people want to kill me. I can't even chew food the next week. I had a vacation that I planned 6 months ago for my birthday. I'm so afraid, like, why do people want to hurt me so bad? I really love my community, and just to know that, like, people hate me to this level, to this kind of level.
And I was horrified. And the one thing that stood out for me was when she said that there were men there, there were other men there, and nobody helped her. Here's the thing. I don't care if, and I'm not saying she was, I'm just giving you all these scenarios. I don't care if she was drunk. I don't care if she was being rowdy or whatever. Is this what we have come to, where you see a man who is stronger than her, who can overpower a woman, beating on her, and nobody does anything? Is that what we have come to? Here's the thing. I get it. You don't want to intervene and lose your life because you don't know whether this guy has a gun. You don't know whether this guy can come on the left and hit you and that's it for you. But you could call the police. You could call the police. You could all come together and you could get him off of her. You could make sure that you got the number on the car. Because if this was your sister, because if this was your mother, if this was your daughter, if this was your wife, it would be different. For you to just not do anything, and then there's a guy there saying, what do you want me to do? As a woman first, this is what I'm talking about. That there's no protection for us. And I'm tired of talking about it. So I'm going to tell you this, start to protect yourself, sis. Have your mace, 100%, so that he will fall right there down to the ground. Make sure that you're not alone. It is what it is. Make sure that when you're out in the evenings, you're not alone. I lived in California for 10 years. Every once in a while, don't get me wrong, I went out here, there, but I was home by 6. I just was. Because it's stuff like this that I just need to avoid. What this guy did is horrendous. He needs to be found, arrested, and put in jail, and he needs to compensate her emotionally, physically, mentally, for her mental stress, and for the trauma. Yes. Because a man that did this is a man that has been doing this. A man that does this in public shows that other men, gives them license to behave like this. Most especially when nothing comes out of it. I'll call her back. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. Look at how she was treated. And nobody did anything. Nobody did anything. You just stayed ahead and watched. Like, you know what, that's okay. How is that okay? I did not know whether her ear had been cut off or not because it did not look like the ear was there. Again, I'm going to say it. I don't care if she was drunk. I'm not saying she was. I'm just saying that if she was belligerent, if she was tardy, anything, somebody should have stood up for her. Because it lets us know that you stand up for us. I hate to say it. I hate to say it. She's a black woman. And we are the least protected. Even our own don't protect us. I didn't want to do this video. I didn't want to do it. It's the same sad song. And then I said, Fumi, of course you have to do it. But I'm taking a different spin on it this time. Girls, you have to protect yourselves. You have to protect yourselves. And go out in numbers and make sure you have some kind of device that will protect you. Because this just cannot go on. There comes a time when you have to fight and protect yourself. You see what happened at the riverfront. Remember how this captain, as a matter of fact, was attacked. And all the brothers came out in defense of him. I dream for the day that our brothers will do that for us. That's what really hurts. All the brothers came out, and I covered that story on this channel. I am yet to cover a story where a woman is being attacked, a sister, dark skin, and our brothers come out 10 toes deep in defense for her. That is why it gets coverage. You did it for the brother, and he could defend himself to an extent. Look at this woman. Just look at her face. How is she supposed to show up at work? How is she supposed to go on with her day? And I know that she will be rewinding this over and over again at how she was attacked, at how she was abused, at how she was molested. And you can't heal from it because nothing came of it. And that teaches us and that shows us really the bigger picture of what you guys think of us. The action is all that I look at. It's not what you see, it's what you do. And you showed me. You know what? Me and my sisters, we don't count for anything. When I tell you I'm raising Adrian in a different way, when I tell you, don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you guys sooner than later. All of my love. And to my beautiful sisters, stay strong. You have to start to protect yourselves. And you have to know where you're going, who you're going with, what kind of crowd is there. That's just what it is. If it's a ratchet party, you just can't go because you don't know if you'll be able to come back home. That's what this is showing me. I'm upset. I'm not even mad, I'm just upset.